Never start a video about space by saying it's silent. Because silence in the cosmos isn't empty. It's one of the loudest secrets in the universe. Light travels millions of years to reach us. But sound? Sound dies instantly. No atmosphere, no friction, no waves. Imagine floating out there. Your own heartbeat becomes the only noise you'll ever hear. We're addicted to noise, yet the universe prefers absolute quiet. So how do you actually create the sound of deep space? It's not about adding, it's about removing. Start with real silence. Then layer in the faint hum of cosmic radio waves, the kind that feels like a breath between stars. Use deep tonal backgrounds that pulse slowly, like the universe is alive but holding still. One filmmaker told us that capturing this emptiness completely changed their project. Another said the layers created a meditative atmosphere they never expected. The key takeaway? Silence isn't nothing. It's a tool for connection. Click the next video to hear how deep space actually sounds.